Hello guys, welcome to Crypto with Debu. So what's up? So this is a very silly question right now, right? Why? Because that conditions of the market is completely horrible. Everywhere panic situation. I can understand the pain because even I lost some sort of money. So not short of money, say more than thousands of dollar within last 2 days. So this is not happened with the crypto market. This is also happened with the share market. But I can agree that crypto market is completely down with the situations. There is a several factor. We'll discuss each and everything. But yes, so this is the situation. So you have to be keep patience because you have entered in a kind of a risky market because crypto is a high profit and high risk kind of a investment area. So in this area, if you are not going to take a high risk, then you cannot never see the high profit margin, right? So yes, practically what happened with the Luna Terra, that is a horrible because almost 94% down, and that coin price came down from $100 to $1. So it's a very pathetic because I can understand the pain. I had purchased few Luna Terra and right now so it's left only a few dollar in my wallet for Luna Terra coin. But to be honest, so this is the time, so we have to be keep patience. And now what are the several factor that actually bring down that market completely down? So that is point number one. So point number one, that is a that Luna Terra that's FUD. So you can that what happened with the Luna Terra, and because of Luna Terra that entire market got panic and everyone start selling that others coin, whether it's a bitcoin or whether it's a altcoin, and that market is completely down. But the major reason was that is the inflation rate. So that is the CPI rate of US, right? So today that report just came. So that inflation rate, so it was supposed to be 8.1%. So now it's came finally 8.3%, and this is the biggest inflation rate past 40 years. Means if you are talking about 1980, so that was the situation, and after 1980, so after 40 years, so this time that inflation rate is much higher than the interest. So let's say if you are trying to put some money in recurring deposit or fixed deposit, you are getting a 7% interest per year. But your inflation rate that per year, that price of the living cost is increased 8.3%. So that is means you are day by day that you are losing the money indirectly. So that's plays a crucial role. Okay, so that is point number one. And point number two, so since that inflation rate is higher, so there is a chance for the recessions, and that's what that entire crypto share market of either you are talking about US or European, that's also rapidly fallen. Now you can think Netflix price was $600, so now it's close to $100. So you can understand, so just it's a 1/6 of the actual price of the Netflix. So similarly it's also impacted in the stock market. And now point number two, that is a high liquidations. So if you saw last 24 hours that liquidations in cryptocurrency, that is much higher than any time. So that is means lots of people open lots of longs. So that is a kind of a game that is played inside that. So that's also create that situation. Since that inflation rate and that's overall stock market down, then high liquidations, and then Luna Terra that farts. That's what is people started selling the cryptocurrency, and then the price got down. And now that is fair and greed index, you can see that is extremely fair, that is close to 10. Yesterday it was 10 and today just it's increased 2 points, so that is 12. So it's played a very vital role. So that's what overall market is down. So now you can see that Lunaterra almost down 25.39%, that they are a stable coin, and then actual Luna, that they are main coin, so that is down almost 94%, and overall crypto market down 10.16%, and Bitcoin, that is a less, so that is 5.28%. If you are talking about others altcoin, like Solana also down 26%, Cardano close to 17%, XRP 18%, now Dogecoin 23%, now Avalanche, so most others coins, even AP coin, so almost down 40% within 1 day chart. So I'm not going to discuss about the others part, but right now the crucial support for the Bitcoin is again 29,000 to $30,000. But if Bitcoin will not able to hold that particular support, then we can see the further downside of the crypto market. Even we can see the BTC can go up to 20k thousand dollar. So if Bitcoin will go down another 10 to 15%, so definitely you can see minimum 30 to 40% down for others altcoin. So that's what. So if you are entering in the crypto market, so be patient, because this is a high risky and high profit area. So now, so if you invest your at least 50 to 60% in the mother coin, let's say Bitcoin or Ethereum, so you can see less profit, but at the same time you can see less down. But if your portfolio is completely full of kind of a altcoin, then you will see lots of down, at the same time you can see lots of upside when that market will be go in the positive direction. So better to have a 50 to 60% mother coin, and rest of the 30 to 40% accordingly you can buy the altcoin. But yeah, so right now I'll not suggest to invest any others altcoin, because right now whatever the situations happened in the market and what's the directions is there, so it's a very risky zone, because sometimes we are seeing 5% down and sometimes 5% up. So if you invest right now, this would be a very risky, because I'm not going to suggest you like you can invest right now, because I have seen like within 1 hour that market goes up 5%, and then another hour so it goes down 10% down. So it's completely manipulated, and the others fraud is going on apart from that CPI rate, that is the inflation. So that's what that market conditions is not good. So better to avoid this market for sometimes. So give some times to stable that BTC. So if BTC will be stable, then you can think for invest certain of the cryptocurrency, either if you are talking about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Solana, Matic, Cardano, whatever it is. But this is not again the perfect time. But still, if you want to take a risk, I'll suggest only your portfolio 20% you can invest, but out of 20%, just 80% you can invest on the mother coin, that is BTC and Ethereum. But don't invest your whole 100% money in the altcoin. This would be a very risky. But if you want to take a risk, you can do your own research. But this is overall conditions, and let's see what comes tomorrow, and I'll create a separate video related to Lunaterra. And another fad is coming. Just recently we have seen in the Twitter somebody posted about the TRX, so that is the higher rate of liquidations comes in Binance. So if that would be a true, then again it can actually impact the TRX mother coin. So it can again can be a play similar role like what happened for the Lunaterra. So for the time being, that's all in this video. If you like our video, subscribe the channel, hit the like button, and at the same times don't forget to share with your friends. Bye. Happy trading.